So I thought I'd show you my bike stand for my Ron's V-Rex LE Recumbent. I kind of made this up so I could work on the bike, so I thought I'd share it with people. You can see it's using some blocks of wood here to hold these things up in place. What I'm doing is I'm holding it with one of these adjustable work stands. I actually had two of these. I don't have access to anymore. What I used to have is I would take this one here and it would be off on the stand over in this direction, and the bike would be flipped around, and so I'd work on it between the two of them. But since I only have the one stand now, I'm using it this way. Because the wood, I just use whatever I had on hand. You can see this wood's thicker than what this wood is, and so it doesn't really clamp in too well. It's the first time I've really used it with the one stand. So this one you can see is set up so that it pinches in there and holds it in place. I'm going to have to do an adjustment here on this one to make it a little more stable, but it's pretty solid to work on. So it's a really quick and easy stand to make. As far as what's holding them in place, you can see right here. I'll go over to the other side. I'm just using this flat stock that I put a hole into, and it's just what I had on hand, something like this, flat stock here and here as well. And then of course I got plenty of old inner tube from flats and stuff, so just for abrasion and stuff, I slipped it over the top. That works really well, so at least I'm getting a little bit more for the money I spend on these cheap inner tubes that keep blowing up on me. But so anyways, here it is, the work stand. It works pretty well. It's not too hard to get the bike up on there. You just kind of flip it up in place. You have to kind of get it in place and then kind of get this one worked up forward. This one kind of clamped down. This side clamped down first, and then this one, a little loose to slip over and slip it in so it locks up in here. So it kind of locks between these 2 points. So, and then this one just rests on top here. And you can see it's all the way back here by that one brace. So there it is. There's my Ron's bike stand. You people have similar recumbents. You might be trying to figure out a way to make yourself a stand. This was pretty quick and easy to do. Not too much work. If you got stuff laying around, you can whip something up. Alright, hope you enjoyed it.